kailangan mag-throw ng lines, and then kami. As you should, right? Like, thank you po. Thank you.
Hi, Ate Melba.
Yes, Ate Mel, of course.
Kamusta? How do you find yung pinanood mo nun?
Oh, I loved it. Part of our process whenever we accept work, me and my husband, is we read each other's scripts. So it's always nice to see when the material comes to life. And I'm just so proud of him and how he was able to do that.
Talagang pag-iisipin ka kung sino.
Oh, diba? Yun naman yung point.
Oo.
Mag-isip kayo. Like,
How are you right now? Kamusta? Marami nakakamiss sa'yo balik television or ano?
wala pa namang plano po. I mean, right now, our baby is a year and 5 months. 17 months. And parang, this is time I'm never gonna get back. So, I'm just savoring it. I'm reveling in the moment. And maybe if something good comes along that would make me wanna go back into acting. Also, I'm just working on going back into a base weight that I'm happy to be if ever I go back to work.
Ria, kamusta? Ano mga nabago na naging isa ka ng ina? So nakita mo sa'yo?
More patient, definitely.
Okay.
It's challenged my patience. It's challenged even my siguro authority of self.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang when you're single, you're carefree, so na ikaw can control your own time. And then when you become a mom, you get so surprised it really consumes you. I mean, as cliche as it sounds, motherhood becomes you.
Pero kamusta naman si Sanjo as a dad? How
He's
is
the
he?
best. He's the best father to be, and we're so blessed that, I'm so blessed that this is the partner I have in raising a family.
Ay, yun ang mahalaga yun. Anong sikreto sa isang happy relationship?
Oh my God, communication. Communication, keeping the spark alive. I'm so grateful that he's very conscious and very intentional in making sure na even if, we're raising our child, meron pa rin kaming time for each other.
Alam mo, nakakatawa, no? I don't know kung aware ka. Yung naging issue yung power couple, alam mo, may familiar ka doon?
Yes.
Nadamay kayo, no? Ano reaction mo? Natawa ka ba?
I mean, inevitable naman in the industry that we're in na pag may mga issue ganyan, di ba? Siguro, thank you, naisip na power couple din kami. Yun na lang, di ba? Salamat.
So, natawa ka lang?
Oo naman po. I mean, super knocked out alone. I mean, also it didn't reach me that they thought it was us. So, yeah. But thank you for considering us a power couple, I guess.
Yun ang mahalaga. Nakakatawa lang yun. Nakakatawa lang. What power couple, Talaga ng power couple.
So, yung pagbabalik natin sa showbiz, medyo matatagal pa. You're enjoying
Tingnan po
it.
natin. I mean, if there's anything that comes along, I miss acting. Like, if
Yeah,
there's anything
manghusay
I
mong
really do
actress.
miss, the art part of it, and the craft, and the emotional release, diba? Acting can be very cathartic, and I'm actually very excited to go back. Pero, again, parang I wouldn't replace the time I have now, and the role that I'm playing now is, I think, the most important role I've ever been given in my life.
Just you being a mom.
So, i-embrace ko lang muna. And, siguro when business is a little bigger, pwede na po. Pero for now din naman, wala pa.
Your mom, pinasok na rin ang pag-talent management. And
Yes po.
she's so busy right now. How does
Yes.
it feel na mahal na mahal niya rin yung mga angels niya, no?
Yeah, super. I'm very proud of her, and I mean, I know it's a very tough thing that she's entering, but I'm glad that she's helping usher in like a wave of inclusivity or like a wave of change siguro also in the industry.
Yeah. Ria, dumaan sa napakaraming pagsubok ang pamilya mo. How do you keep yung what's this? Hindi kayo nagbitaw pare-pareho, lumabang kayo ng sama-sama bilang isang
I
pamilya.
think,
no?
it's
Si
that's what
Arjo,
family
mabigat na
is.
pinagdaanan.
That's a family. That's what family is. So you stand by each other, you stand with each other, and yeah, I mean, that's how we are. It didn't really, yeah.
Sorry, kumusta naman ang Patay de family after the ups and downs na nangyari?
We're still together. We're still here. We're still standing. Still very grateful for everything that's come our way. Yeah.
And si Maine bilang sister-in-law mo is very strong, ano? nandyan talaga palagi para sa pamilya.
Yes.
Aware ka ba dun sa issue na pati yung hindi pagbati ng pamilya yun
I mean, we've all taken a
a
step back from social media. So,
Talaga? Oo.
I mean, yeah, in general, I'm so busy with our child, I don't really have, I mean, ano, ipapost ko, parati lang ako nasa bahay.
Totoo yan.
Diba? Ano po, yung kwarto ko, diba parang hindi naman po para mag-social media. So, I'm not really on social media so much. So, I don't know, I'm not aware that it was made an issue, but I assure you that we are okay. We're
Yeah.
actually just together celebrating my dad's birthday and hers. So,
Ayun, mahal. Yeah.
But would you entertain projects with Sanjo?
Bakit mga offers ba?
siguro kung meron kong magawa na ano, I don't know. We did start work from being co-actors naman din po, so I don't really know.
Hindi yung kayo dalawa.
Tingnan po natin, iba din po kasi pag, pag couple na kayo. di ba?
Totoo yan. Totoo yan. Totoo yan.
Let's see, abangan nyo na lang po.
May
Yes.
mga bago ka bang na-discover kay Sanjo? Naging dancer siya versus
Sa amin pareho. I mean, I think it's inevitable to learn more about each other. And I think that's the beauty of marriage and a relationship. Even if you guys have been together for a while, there's still things you discover about one another.
Maraming salamat. Picture lang, okay lang.
Thank
Picture.
you. Sige po.